What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebo G in case you don't know. So today I'm in Jakarta, specifically Kota Tua. So right here I have a very good friend with me here, J-Pack, come over. So J-Pack, I met J-Pack on Instagram. So it's been a very long time. He's been trying to reach out to me. He really want to join me on this vlog. So I don't really know much about this place. So he would be like a tour guide. He'll be the one, showing me things and the fun things to do here. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. Peace. Yo guys, right now we are at this street market. As you can see, all these batches here are just street market. So right now, as you can see, I'm all sweat up, man. I've been shooting for like good 6 hours right now, non-stop. So I want to bring a good content to you guys. So guys, as it is right now, I'm gonna show you guys some of the beauty of this street market. I hope you enjoy it. That's the end of the vlog for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. It's been a very stressful day. At first when we got here, the sun was very massive, like very massive, that J-Pack has to run away. J-Pack has to look for a shade. Then I did what I gotta do just to get a good videos for you guys. And I hope you do like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next one. Peace. Yo, Jay, wanna say anything? At least say something in my channel. You have to say something. Yeah, what are you gonna say?
Follow my Instagram, J-Pack.
Okay.
Let's go to the party.